My name is Osuagwu Amarachi. I am a native of Enugu State. I am one of the participants of Inwelle Center Bootcamp this year, 2011. I send all my regard, my gratitude, and thanks to the founder of Inwelle Resource Center, Professor Christiana Okechukwu, who have made it possible for us to be here today. Above all, I thank God who used her to make the dreams of our present-day youth to come true. We have learned so many activities here, like friendship, how to write, how to cook using firewood, we have associated with so many different people from Anambra, Enugu, and other places. We learn so many activities here, both cooking, writing, how to use the computer. She has been a wonderful woman, staying with us all this while. We pray that God will sustain. We have learned physics, chemistry, English, maths, how to operate the computer. This place is a wonderful place, well conducive environment, well good library, well conducive computer room. We thank God for making it possible for us to be here, and I promise that as I'm living out here, I must impact the knowledge which I have learned here to other people, so that they will come and witness what I have seen here.